Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x when 64 power x is equals to 16 by 4 power x. So let's start with the today's video. So here 64 power x is equals to 16. I can write 4 times 4, that is 4 square over 4 power x. So 64 power x is equals to, here we use the property of exponent, that is a power b over a power c. We can write it as a power b minus c. So I'm going to use this property. So here 4 power is 2 minus x. Now on the left hand side, our base is 64 and our on right hand side it's 4. So we can convert 64 in terms of 4. So 64, I can write it as 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 4 is 64. So I can write it as 4 power 3 power x is equals to 4 power 2 minus x. So according to the rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn. So I can write it as 4 power 3x is equals to 4 power 2 minus x. So on comparing both sides, if the base are equal, that means the power are also equal. So 3x is equals to 2 minus x. On both the sides, I'm adding x. So 3x plus x is equals to 2 minus x plus x. So 3x plus x is 4x. Is equals to 2 minus x plus x cancel out. Now I'm dividing both the sides by 2. So 4x by 2 is equals to 2 by 2. So we can eliminate, this is 1 and this is 2x. Now again divide by 2. Both the sides, so 2x divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So we eliminate 2 with 2, the value of x will be half or 1 by 2. So that's how you can solve this type of problem. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.